Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to disable GameBarPresenceWriter here in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. So here we are in our desktop, and what we want to do first from here is simply go into settings by searching here in our search bar settings, and once we are here we can see the gaming right here. So this is what we want to go to, so let's go and click gaming, and what we want to do from here is disable this and disable this also. But if you want to enable, you can also do that, but it's kind of useless, so let's just go and disable this right there and go and exit. And now the next thing that we are gonna do is simply go into search again, and we're gonna go for game bar right here, Xbox game bar. You want to open this, and after you have opened that, you want to go into settings. And by the way, I cannot show it to you personally here because it doesn't let me record. I cannot record what I do in the game bar settings, so you just have to follow these steps here that I have listed here in my notes. So you want, after you have opened the Xbox game bar, you want to go into settings with a big settings button right here. You can see it right here, and you want to go into general, and you want to uncheck show tips when I start a game, and uncheck remember this is a game. But sometimes, like in my case, you only see this option right here, so you just uncheck that and don't mind this anymore. But if you see this, then you need to uncheck it. And now go to capturing, and you want to uncheck record in the background while I'm playing a game, because this will take up a lot of resources and that would cause errors or problems with your PC. So you want to uncheck that, and uncheck show microphone recording notifications, and set the audio to record to none. And after that, after you have done all this, you're now good. And by the way, if for whatever reason you are disabling your GameBarPresenceWriter, then that would actually benefit you, especially if you're not really using it for record. You're using other recording programs like OBS and other stuff. So if you're not using it, then it is really beneficial for you to disable it. Alright, let's proceed to the next step. So the next step would be downloading this folder right here, which is disable GameBarPresenceWriter. And to do this, to download this, is really simple. You just have to go here into your browser right here, and you open your browser right there, and you want to go into google.com, and you simply want to search here disable here, this one. You want to search disable GameBarPresenceWriter.rar by OG Tech. And after you have search this up, then you can have it right there in the first link. You can have it there, the download link. You just need to click on it, and you'll see the download link right there, and you'll see this folder right here. So after you have downloaded the RAR, you need to extract it so that you can get this folder right here. And after that, you can go and enable this. Now you can go right here and click on yes, and you want to go and yes right here. So click on yes, just like that, and as you can see, it says that it has been successful. And you want to also do this, you're gonna go on yes and yes again right there, and okay. And after you have done this, then if you didn't like the results, or if you somehow face problems while you do this, then you can go here and revert right here, so that you would be undoing your actions right here, and you just need to run this right here. So after that, you need to restart your PC, but I'm not going to restart it for now because I'm gonna show you the next step. So now the next thing that we're gonna do is simply going here into search bar, and now let's go into registry editor right there. And after that, we're gonna click on yes because we want to run it. And from here we want to go into HK local machine right here, and from here we want to go into software. And the next thing that we're gonna find is Windows right there. As you can see, it says Windows right here. We're gonna open that. Microsoft, not Windows. You need to go into Microsoft right here, and you can see the progress right here. If you ever if you're confused, then you can just go here and look at it, and you can see the directory that we are going to. So from Microsoft right here, what we're gonna do from here is going into Windows runtime. This is where we're gonna find Windows right here. Windows runtime, and there it is. There is a Windows runtime, and we want to go and open this one. And from here, what we're gonna do in Windows runtime is gonna go into activatable, this one. We're gonna go from this one, and then from here is that we're gonna go into that, open this, and we're gonna go into Windows game bar. So here, let's go find it. Let's scroll down until we see it. Windows that's G right there. Windows gaming graphics. Here it is. We're gonna go for looking for Windows gaming game bar presence server internal. So we're gonna expand this so that we can see game bar, and there it is. This is what you were looking for. And now from here, we want to go into activation type, and simply we want to go and change this value data into 0, and we're going to click on OK. And as you can see, we have an error because cannot edit activation type, error writing in the values new content. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to change the permission that we have. So we could just simply go into this folder right here, and we're gonna right click, and we're gonna go into permissions, and from here we want to go on advanced. And now what we're gonna do is go and add right here, and after that we're gonna go and select a principal, and here you need to enter the name of the account that you're using right here. So you're going to go and search and go into account, or maybe go into settings, so that right here, and you want to go here and copy your accounts right here, your info, and it says my PC, so you need to copy this right there. You need to put it right here, and after that you're gonna go and check names, and as you can see it is underlined, so it means it's correct. So you want to go and click on OK, and after that you want to go and check this right there, full control, and OK again, and after that you're gonna go apply. So after you have done and clicked on apply, you want to go and click on OK right there, and after that you're gonna go back, and you want to go here, and you want to add the my PC again right here, my PC, and then you need to go and check names again, and you want to go check names, and as you can see it's underlined, it's correct. So we're gonna go OK again, and after that you are here, and you just want to go and select that person right here, and as you can see, and you're gonna go full control right here, and just like that. And maybe I want to go in full control for this one also, and so is the system. I want to take it into full control, so you don't have to do that. You can just go and edit the full control of the one that you just added, but for me I just wanted to do that, so go and apply, and after that you're gonna go in OK. So after that you are now able to change the activation type from 0 into 1, and it's just as simple as that. You can now enjoy, and you have now disabled the game presence writer.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.